In this video, I'll show how to make a simple blog post on WordPress. So the first thing to do is, firstly, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard, which is your site name, followed by WP login. This. Then you log in with your username and the password. Okay. So when you log into your dashboard, you can see this various tools on the left hand side. So you come here to posts, you click on posts, it will bring a drop down. You can click on all posts or add new depending on what you want to do. So click on add new posts. Okay, so this will bring you to the post editor. This will bring you to the post editor. So here you can put the post title. This is the title of the blog post. I'll just be creating a demo post which can be deleted later. Okay, so the post is done, and then you go to your blog text. You copy the blog text from your editor. And then you post it. Okay, so it's done. Depending on what you want to do, you can use the editor. You can use the editor. You can highlight this in case you want to bold it, in case you want to turn it to in case you want to just change the font or anything, you can use this for that. So the next step is to add a category for your blog post. So we have you would have created different categories for your blog. So in this case, let's see, you select one category that the blog post would belong to. You can decide to add tags or but if you don't have tags, you can just let this go. This tag is useful for SEO. Then you can set a featured image. This is the image that will show up on your blog post. So when you click set featured image, it will take you to your media library, and you can select from the images you have in your media library. And if you do not have images, you can upload files here. See, you just drop the files there. So we'll just be selecting from this. Let me find a suitable. Okay, yeah, maybe we can use this. Then set featured image. Now let's see. Depending, this is like a plugin for SEO. It is called Rank Math. So depending on the type of plugin you use, you can just put some keywords there. It helps with your SEO to make your site show up on Google search and all. So you can just set it there. then you can change the author here. For you to be able to change the author, you would have selected or created different users on your WordPress. So for this, I'll be selecting. Okay, so let's review this. I think this is everything. So the SEO score is 60 over 100. Okay, then you hit publish. Okay, so you made your blog posts. Let's say I want us to preview the post. So you can just hit this preview changes. You can open it in a new tab to see how the blog post would look like. Okay, oh, you see, good. So this is your blog title, the date it was posted, the featured image, the category, and the posts. You can see. Then this is for people to make a comment on the blog post. Okay, so that is it. That is how to make a simple blog post on your WordPress website. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you.